Hey, what's happening, Shiba Inu holders out there? So I just want to put this video out there and have you remember where we came from and remember where we're going because it's very easy to get trapped into this day-to-day market fluctuation. And right now it's just not pretty, right? And it's really easy to panic sell, make irrational decisions related to your portfolio, especially your SHIB, considering how much you probably hold of it. I know a lot of people on this channel are very heavy into SHIB, myself included. But let's talk about where we came from. Okay. First and foremost, this past year was amazing. Okay. October was absolutely nothing short of unreal. I mean, let's face it, nobody predicted it, nobody projected it. We are still a top 15 cryptocurrency, even today, with where the markets are. If you could go back in time, okay, and the day that you invested into SHIB, let's say it was back in, May or June, let's just say, for example's sake, right? If you could flash forward to January 2022 and give the SHIB price what it is today, give it a top 15 crypto, would you be okay with that? Would you be happy about that? And I think when you think about it from that perspective, I think a lot of us would say yes, especially if we're holding this thing for the long term. Now, I want to talk about some of the other catalysts that are still out there that we will see come to fruition in the future. Playside Studios, William Volk, of course, and SHIB, Shaitoshi Kasama, are about to break records. Shiba Inu News talking about just the future of this partnership with William Volk and Playside Studios. This is going to be nothing short of a fantastic product because they're taking their time on it. They have a built-in community. I am very, very confident in this game and in this community to spread the message about this game in the future. Now, a couple other things happening with the ecosystem. MEXC will list Bone SHIB token in the assessment zone under Bone USD pair. Deposit and withdrawals are opening here today, UTC time, January 11th. Here are the details there for MEXC Global. This is a relatively large exchange here. You can see there are over 364,000 followers here on Twitter. Very interesting. So again, trading happening 12 p.m. 12 o'clock UTC, January 11th. That is today. So that is very interesting. And again, so this is another aspect that I want to talk about, this ecosystem, right? Talking about Bone and Leash. Let's go over and take a look at where Bone is right now. I am very bullish on Bone, especially given the information now we have on Bone. Here it now sits at 83 cents. I think this is a great opportunity to load up on Bone. Look at the 7 days. Again, great opportunity, in my opinion, to load up. Look at the 1 month. Not very long ago, okay, just about 12 days ago. Okay, we were sitting at $1.68. Very interesting. Now we go out to the 3 month. You could see we've been bleeding. 1 year we've been bleeding, but I do believe Bone is going to be a very important factor in this grand equation. Of course, it's the governance token of the entire ecosystem of Shiba Swap, which will allow the SHIB army to vote on upcoming proposals. That is, related to the doggy DAO, right? This is why Bone becomes such an important asset in the future. The more Bone the user holds, the more weight of their voice carries in these future endeavors. Bone has a total of 250 million tokens and is designed to fit perfectly between the previous two tokens in regards to circulation supply, meaning Shiba Inu has way more than that. Leash has way less than that. Okay. SHIB, Leash, and Bone come together to create Shiba Swap. So if you were to ask me, am I more bullish on Bone or Leash, I would say Bone right now because we know the utility that it has behind it, how it will be used exactly. So I would say Bone over Leash right now, but still Shiba Inu is what I want to hold the most of. So I have been, acquiring Bone in addition to Shiba Inu, and I can't wait for this entire market to turn back on. Bone to be utilized as the governance token, okay, in the doggy DAO, and through Shibarium and all of these efforts that are be putting in and coming in the near future, I do think Bone is going to produce a ton of returns. Talking to a good friend of mine, Dell Crypto. I know a lot of you guys know him out there. Dell is also super, super bullish. It's one of the reasons why I started loading up because heard Dell talk about it. And if there's anything I've learned, when Dell Crypto starts talking about something, you should probably listen. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And thanks so much for stopping by. Appreciate it, guys. See ya.